Welcome back. In this session we are going to download Splunk. So let's choose your download. Either we have Windows, Linux or Mac OS depending on your system. Go ahead. I have Windows, and essentially I have shared the splunk.com download and create an account first, and then you will get free download, but after 60 days you can convert it to perpetual free license or purchase Splunk enterprise license to continue using expanded functionality designed for enterprise scale deployments. So yeah, here it is, and go ahead. Windows, for me Windows, choose according to your operating system. Here Linux or Mac, go ahead Linux, Windows for me. So yeah, I'm downloading Splunk Enterprise 8.1.3 for Windows. Save it. It is just about under 300 megabytes, I believe. Want to see the properties? Go ahead, and 289 megabytes. All right, about 300. All right, double click. Choose this box to accept the license agreement. Go ahead. Run Splunk Enterprise as local system account. Create a shortcut. Okay. Customize options. If you want, you can change the folder here. Generally what I do is I go to the Explorer, and I have a development tools, and here I keep all the tools here. That way I find at one place. Splunk, take that path, and alrighty, tools Splunk, and just it doesn't matter, but okay, and click OK. Should come here. Install Splunk Enterprise as local system account. So it inherits your account permissions. So if you are admin, so it will then Splunk will operate in admin environment. If you are not admin, then Splunk will not work as an admin environment, but as whatever permissions are there at your level, but non-admin. Splunk Enterprise can access all the data on or forward it to this machine. So whatever data it will forward it, yeah, so then it will take it. We will discover forwarders later. Alright, so these are the two options, local system and domain account. Go ahead, I'm choosing local system, and next. Okay. Create credentials for administrator account. The password must contain a minimum of 8 printable ASCII characters. So I'll print this up and click next. I will pause the video for a while. Alright, go ahead, create a startup menu and install. Click install. Alright, looks like it will take a while. Okay, here, do you want to allow this app? Yes, say yes. Verified publisher is Splunk Inc. So allow it. Copying the new files should be done shortly. Updating the component registration. So meanwhile we can look here. We are downloading Splunk Enterprise 8.1.3 for Windows. Dive into Splunk with the tutorial dataset. So you have tutorial here, but then I am helping you out to go in a better way, in a hands-on way. All right. Copying new files. It should be done in next few seconds. There are some other useful tools here. Command line download we can do. It seems we can operate Splunk with after installation command line. We have command line wget, download MD5, get data into Splunk with our universal forwarder. So here it says, the Splunk says we have universal forwarders that can send data to Splunk, but we will see. Yep, here I don't have experience with Splunk, but then a little bit how the Splunk logs. Those are basically, it is for logging your application data, like essentially application logs into Splunk, and also the data which your application is printing would also be printed to console, as well as if you have set the forwarder on your machine, then it will be sending that application logs to Splunk. Alright, so the console is transient, right? Console, once you close the application, it will be lost, but in Splunk it will retain. I don't know how long, but it retains over there for unless you clear it up. I believe we will see that. We'll explore that option a bit later in the course. Alright, I will pause here for a while. So Splunk Enterprise is successfully installed now. Launch browser with Splunk Enterprise. Finish, click finish. Launch browser, it said. Let's see. Okay, here it's opening. It's trying to open localhost. 8,000. It's not doing anything, but then let's see. Not sure if there is any system tray. No. Okay, there we go. We have got Splunk Enterprise username, password here, and so you need to sign in to see. All right. I'll be signing the username, password, and sign in. I'll pause for it for a while. Here it says username is admin, so just admin. I have entered the password which I have created before I installed it. Login failed. Let me see. The user admin was misleading, so I have used my user and password that was set up at the start at the installation time, right? So now that's when I feed in the user ID password. I got it, helping you get more value from Splunk software. Got it. Click OK, and here we go. We have Splunk Enterprise installed on my laptop. Wait. So use the browser. If you're following me, you can use the browser and localhost 8000, and that's it. App launcher home. All right, so we will explore more in a next video. Thanks. Till then, bye.